Make sure to stay until the end. We're going to share a common mistake people make and they end up spending thousands of dollars on parts and repairs they actually do not need. All that will be covered in this video today. Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Super quick helpful video to any of you trying to find a 4-wheel drive, also known as 4x4 fuses relays on GMC Sierra, that generation here from year 2014 to year 2018. Stay with us, we'll explain where you can find them. Now, if you need to buy replacement parts, tools, fuses, relays, we'll share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from, and you can see where we get most of our tools and supplies from. So let's start on it now. So before we start, let us tell you guys a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix pretty much anything. Why we guys do all that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these free videos. By the way guys, check out our YouTube channels. We have more than 17,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So let's go ahead guys and start on it now. So guys, the 4-wheel drive, 4x4 fuses and relays, what do we need to check? We'll demonstrate on that GMC Sierra. Today guys, we'll be working actually in 2 different fuse boxes, one of them is hidden. But you have many hidden fuse boxes in that generation GMC Sierra. That's why we made a special video on our YouTube channel that's known as GMC Sierra Fuse Box Location and Diagram, check it out. First we need to open the driver door. When you do that guys, on the side of the dash, let's zoom in, you see right here, you're going to have that cover. That cover, if you pry it, you will be able to remove it. And underneath you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. It is guys very important to test fuses and relays. On those fuses you cannot clearly see if they're burnt or not, especially you can see in the JK's fuses as well. And if you guys assume, okay, let's say you remove a fuse, you look at it and you assume guys that it's actually a good fuse, but it's actually a bad fuse. Sometimes you cannot clearly see that. What can easily happen guys at that point, you can put the bad fuse in and you start replacing parts and tools that you don't need to, so you lose your time, you lose your money to fix a problem that doesn't exist, when all we had to do is test the fuse and replace it. We'll put a link to a special video that will teach you how to test fuses, how to check relays very easily as well guys. So check it out, it will be in the description of the video below. For the 4-wheel drive, 4x4, now there might be some minor differences for the fuse boxes between from 2014 to 2017, and then 2018 they changed a few things, but specifically for the 4-wheel drive the fuses and relays will be the same. We first need to check fuse number 38, that fuse right here. Then we need to come guys, okay, and open the hood. Under the hood, okay, you see the fuse box is right here on the driver's side, next to the brake fluid reservoir. Open that cover and you will see that fuse box layout. Specifically here guys, we need to check one more fuse, and we're talking about fuse number 6, that very bottom fuse right here that you will need to check. Relay, you don't have a relay guys, you have only these fuses that are known as relay fuses. So guys, this GMC Sierra has all kinds of different fuses, different kinds of relays, and those could be really hard to find. If you're in the middle of nowhere, you cannot find a replacement one, you may be stuck because of that. So we recommend guys, okay, to get some spare ones and put in the glove box for a peace of mind. We will share the information in the description of the video below where you can get them from at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time. Hopefully guys the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Thank you for watching, see you next time.